How to enable vibrant visuals in Minecraft Nintendo Switch 2. So first, what are vibrant visuals? Vibrant visuals is a major visual overhaul for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, introducing directional lighting, volumetric fog, shader-like effects, and deferred rendering via Render Dragon engine. These features are available on flat platforms like Xbox Series, PlayStation 5, and high-end PCs. Now, the current status of vibrant visuals on Switch 2. Mojang has not yet released vibrant visuals for the Switch 2 despite the Switch 2's Ampere GPU and support for ray tracing and DLSS. The feature is still pending for this platform. Players are actively requesting Mojang to bring this upgrade to Switch 2 via feedback forums. Now, what you can do until vibrant visuals are officially supported, make sure your game is updated to the latest version and keep an eye on Mojang's official feedback page. And that is how you can basically enable vibrant visuals in Minecraft Nintendo Switch 2.